Welcome back to my channel. Here I am over at Lucid again. Oh, and this is the east parking lot, and there's hardly any cars whatsoever there. Good sign. Maybe they've sold all these cars, because the last time there was a bunch here. Now we're on the west side and on this line right here. Oh, you missed the gravity, man. There it is. It was up there. First time that I've seen a gravity personally out in the lot that I could spot while doing this edit. You'll notice that there's not very many cars here. Now remember, I just came from Lucid Motors assembly plant in Coolidge, Arizona, and that is now owned by Lucid. I did ask the security guard, because I always get one when I fly a drone usually, and he did not know what they were going to build there, but they do own it now. And as I mentioned in the Nikola video, there are still people there disassembling the battery packs for recycling. So I don't know if there's going to be any intact battery packs for their semi-trucks. And I don't know if Lucid bought all the. That'd be nice if they did. Hopefully have an auction. Love to have one of those semi-trucks. Because I drove one for many, many years. I still do, periodically during the year for our neighbors. But anyway, there's about half as many cars as I normally see here. And I tried to zoom in and see if there was any gravities just out in this major parking lot that's ready to ship these cars. And as I mentioned, it is Memorial Day when I shot this on the 26th, so very little activity, which is fine, because that's the way I like it. It was hot and about 96 degrees. And the drone was giving me trouble charging on the way over from Nikola, so I had to stop at Lowell's, pick up a few supplies for my project. Why I'm even here is tearing out all the sheetrock, putting in new sheetrock studs, in the process of mudding, and the mud is drying, so that's why I can come here and shoot this while I'm here. But it's exciting seeing Lucid do well. They had enough money to buy that other assembly plant, and I'm sure that thing was expensive to build. You know, all the stuff inside that was required to build. But anyway, I did not notice any gravities when I was zooming in on these cars, just on that one line. But I'm happy to be here at Lucid again to see what's going on. Half the cars are gone, which is a good thing. Hopefully they're being sold, not just sitting on dealer lots. They do make a very fine electric car. And it's affordable if you buy the Pure, I guess, for $69,000. I'm sure they have some deals on them. And you get a 400-mile range, which I love to have 300-mile range out of my ID4. Funny thing is, when you find a car you really like, which we really like our ID4, other than the 250-mile range on it, it's hard to even look at another electric car. But if I had to get a sedan, electric sedan, it would probably be a Lucid for sure. But anyway, I'm glad you came back. Oh, there's the gravity right there. You can see it. You can see 1, 2. There were 3 of them I could see, maybe more. It was nice to be able to finally come here and shoot a video and find a gravity out in the wild, right there. Anyway, again, thank you for watching. Enjoyed shooting these videos, and thank you for subscribing if you have. If you haven't, please do. And keep in mind that my passions is in being off-grid, solar, electrically wise, so home storage and solar. But again, thank you for watching, and we'll talk to you guys later.